So I'm not gonna prime my face. So I've been trying this thing where like I stick the glue on my eye line. The line right there, okay? And to put the glue, and so that way it kind of just sticks back. Yeah, this whole lash on on the skin and the lash actually works, because I like just popped this one on. I'm gonna do the other one out. I think this really works for me. Like, I definitely see a difference with it just sticking. Yo, this is a little hack. I wish I knew this sooner. I would have saved so much taking off and putting on and like re-gluing and like that whole extra moment, unnecessary extra moment. Yeah, look, it's so easy. So I haven't tried this on anyone, and I know it looks crazy, but I'm trying it on myself first. And I think once I put like gloss over it, it might look normal. Not normal, like a little less crazy. Okay, so this is a little bit like pink. Actually, it's more clear. Okay. Okay, maybe I will put actually some of this tint. Wow, this became wild. What did I just do? I had no idea. This one, this is the most excitement you're gonna see the whole video because of what is going on. I have no idea. That bad. So this is the final look. What do you think? Honestly, I love it. Tell me what you think.